Hello everyone, this is Russell Carlin, and my app is intended to help people build and search for game guides for any of their favorite games and all of their favorite games. Instead of just one specific game, it would be more of everything altogether. And it has a format that's easily used. You can go through, just follow the steps, and then it would create a guide for you that looks, professional and is everything's formatted. It has the logo for the game, has any of the elements in the game that you would need to put into the guide, all in one for all the different games, which is similar to game FAQs if anyone ever used the site, except that in that site, when you make a guide, it just gives you a text box, and that's it. You just have to put everything in one single text area, and if you have any kind of formatting or if you want pictures or anything, you just kind of have to use just characters. That's all you can use is just the normal keyboard characters, which is really not that great because you can't really give links to things and have pictures so that people can understand and just look through the guide real quick and see everything that they want and just be on their way. And also, people who are not very good at making ASCII art, it's really bad because they don't it would just look like basically just like a Word document, and that's really boring and ugly, and I just don't like it. And for making it easier, elements that I've added are well, my original one had the buttons at the bottom for submit and clear, and they were exactly the same, which I didn't really think about at the time. I just wanted them both to be buttons, and they were exactly the same. Well, if you hit the wrong one, you clear the whole guide, and you want to throw your computer. So that was really bad. So I fixed that, of course, and then I added a lot more elements inputs into the form to make it just easier and just have everything more options for your guides and just make it more simple by using input hints and prompts so that you can know exactly what the guide is wanting or the builder is wanting you to put in there so that your guide comes out as best as possible and with the least amount of errors, which is what you want in a good app, is being able to do what you want easily without making too many errors, if any. And I think it's getting there. I mean, there's still obviously some kinks and things I need to work on, but I'm getting there. So that'll be all for this week. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week.